The welding industry is expanding, and with this growth comes opportunities for those looking to pursue a career in the field. Over 43,000 welding jobs are available nationwide, meaning there is a strong need for experienced welders to fill these positions. The Welding Technology program at Universal Technical Institute is designed to help prepare students for these roles. There are a number of welding processes used in the industry, including arc welding. This process creates an intense amount of heat and uses an electric arc to form welds. Tungsten inert gas, or TIG welding, is one of the most common arc welding processes. It's often referred to as GTAW, which stands for gas tungsten arc welding. The TIG process uses a tungsten electrode that has an extremely high melting point and is considered non-consumable, which means it doesn't melt to become a part of the weld as a filler metal. TIG welds work by adding a specific filler rod or by melting a base metal and using constant current equipment to generate heat. This can come from a direct current or alternating current arc. The heat is transferred by the current, which carries the electrode, and is accompanied by a shielding gas. TIG welding gas is non-reactive, which means it won't experience chemical reactions during the welding process. Common types of gas used during TIG welding are argon and helium. TIG welding produces strong, high-quality welds that can be done with or without the use of filler material. You can learn more about TIG welding and the other arc welding processes in UTI's Welding Technology program, which is offered at 7 campuses nationwide: Avondale, Arizona; Long Beach, California; Rancho Cucamonga, California; Lisle, Illinois; Bloomfield, New Jersey; Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas; Houston, Texas. You can graduate from the Welding Technology program in just 36 weeks, prepared for a career in a growing industry. Let us show you how at UTI.